Hello! Welcome back to English Conversation Practice. I'm really happy you're here. Today's lesson is one of the most useful things you will ever learn in English: how to talk about your daily routine. This is real English, the kind you use every single day, at work, with friends, in conversations. I will speak slowly and clearly. You repeat after me. Let's begin. Let's start at the beginning of the day. The morning. For most people, the morning is busy. But in English, we describe it simply and clearly. Listen to each sentence. Then repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up and go to the bathroom. I take a shower and get dressed. I have breakfast and drink my coffee. I leave the house at 8:30. Now let's put the morning together. Listen first. Feel the rhythm. I wake up at 7. I take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. I leave the house at 8:30. Think about your own morning. How is it similar? How is it different? Describe your morning in your head, in English. Now, the middle of the day. This is where most of your day happens. Work, study, meetings, classes. In English, we talk about this part of the day very naturally. Listen and repeat. I start work at 9 in the morning. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I eat lunch at my desk. I have a 1-hour lunch break. I finish work at 5 in the afternoon. Maybe you are a student. Here are sentences for you. I go to university in the morning. I have 3 classes today. I study in the library after class. Choose the sentences that match your life. Say them out loud right now. Good. These are your sentences. They describe your real life in English. Now, let's talk about the evening. This is the part of the day when you relax, when you spend time with people you love, when you recharge. Listen carefully, then repeat. I get home at around 6 o'clock. I cook dinner or order food. I spend time with my family. I watch TV or browse the internet. I read for 30 minutes before bed. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Now, your turn. Describe your evening in 2 sentences, out loud. What do you do when you get home? What time do you sleep? Before we put everything together, let me teach you 4 small words. These words make your routine sound natural and fluent. Listen and repeat. First, I wake up and take a shower. Then, I have breakfast. After that, I go to work. Finally, I go to bed. First, then, after that, finally. 4 small words, but they make your English sound so much more natural. Now, let's put the whole day together. Listen to this full routine. Don't repeat yet. Just listen and picture the day. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. I start work at 9 in the morning. I have a 1-hour lunch break at noon. I finish work at 5 and get home at 6. In the evening, I cook dinner and spend time with my family. Finally, I read for a little while and go to bed at 11. Did you follow that? Good. Now let's do it together. Repeat after each sentence. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. I start work at 9 in the morning. I have a 1-hour lunch break at noon. I finish work at 5 and get home at 6. In the evening, I cook dinner and spend time with my family. Finally, I read for a little while and go to bed at 11. Now the whole routine, without stopping. Ready? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. I start work at 9 in the morning. I have a 1-hour lunch break at noon. I finish work at 5 and get home at 6. In the evening, I cook dinner and spend time with my family. Finally, I read for a little while and go to bed at 11. Great job! Now, pause this video and describe your own day in English, out loud. Morning, work or study, evening. Use the words first, then, after that, finally. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. This is real English practice, and you just did it. Thank you for being here today. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep going. Every day, you are getting better.